Hey guys, what's up? It's Desi back at it again with another slime video. And this slime video is testing out 2-in-1 slimes. I only have one of them, but it still could work. And guys, before we start, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below other videos that you want to see. And make sure to share with your friends and family. So yeah, let's just get started. Guys, this is the only bowl that I use slime in. So let's just start by pouring. I don't know if you guys can. There we go. Unless I'm not doing it in there. Sorry, guys. So yeah, let's just. Can you guys see the pouring? No, not as much. Okay. I'm gonna do it in here then, guys. Oh my god, guys, this is actually clear. I'm not even kidding. Okay. I'm just gonna add some in there. I know, guys, I added a lot because I don't know if this is for sure gonna work. And there's some more people there. I don't know if this is for sure gonna work, but some people have said like just add a little pinch first. So I'm just gonna add a little bit, but I always wanted to add a very lot to this. Guys, it's actually working. I'm not even kidding, but when you feel it, it's kind of coming together as slime. But I don't know, guys. I'm just gonna pour. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, and if this doesn't work, guys, I'm just gonna add it in like the fridge, like other people do, or like the microwave or the freezer. Oh my god, guys! But I'm not even kidding. This is working like hands down. Yo, guys, it turned into slime. I'm gonna add some more of this because I feel like there's way too much salt. Because when I play with it, I literally feel the salt. This is like literally like slime, guys. Yeah, guys, this is like slime. Like, I'm not even kidding. Whoa. Oh my god, guys. I don't know. It's not that good of a slime. I wouldn't say like it's the best slime ever. But it worked. Like, bro, guys, can you guys see that? Oh my god. I'm like surprised. Like, I wouldn't even think that this would work. Yo, guys, definitely, if you guys are just like a fan of like, I'll make slime, yeah, but I'll probably throw it away in the next couple days, then this is a slime for you. If you guys actually like keeping your slime like together and stuff all the time and you would never want to throw it away because you think it's just a waste, then this is not the slime for you, because I guarantee you guys that I'm just going to throw this away after. So yeah, and oh my god, I'm not even kidding, guys. Like, it's like already like, oh my gosh. Guys, if you guys didn't know, most of my subscribers are from school, and I left home early the other day. That is because I am sick, and I'm still sick, but I am going back to school on Monday, sadly. I really don't want to, but if it's worth seeing all my friends again, Joanne, Italy, Vicky most importantly, because Vicky just likes to call me and check on how I'm doing. She called me yesterday, and she texted on me. She's like, are you doing okay? And all that stuff. And I really appreciate having a friendly Vicky. Guys, and honestly, like, this is jiggly. Okay, so don't worry, guys. I'll be quiet. First of all, it's not stretchy at all. But it's still like slime, and you can wash your hands with this, guys. I'm not even kidding. Like, this is for children. This is for children. It's not sticky at all, but it will stick to you if you actually squeeze it good like I do. But like, what I mean by it's not like this is for children is because, like, you know how like sometimes children, me, get the slime down the sink and then it just stops the drain. This is a slime for it because it's literally soap. Soap and salt. Have you not gotten salt in the drain before? I don't know. The thing is, when you make it and you're like me, a mess, then it'll make a mess. I have a big mess here of salt and soap. But guys, I actually really like it, and I'm going to try to put some disappearing ink into this to see if it colors it or anything. Does not look good together at all. But, and also guys, it's scented. Mango, I think? Pineapple. Oh my god. Okay, it actually disappeared, guys. Not even kidding. Like, it's not even there. Honestly, guys, I'm just going to make a little bit more just for you guys. But just a little bit, guys. Just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. My mom will not like me right now because I have slimy hands and I'm putting it on her salt. I'm just going to mix it with my hands. Because why not? And you guys, you just want to make sure you want to mix it really good, because if you don't, then you're going to be able to, like, to feel the salt. And guys, it's literally working already. Here's a 2-in-1 deal, guys. Yes, and this was $1. Oh my god, it's bubbles. And that was $1. And this salt is really cheap too. So like, bro, what, $2 slimes? Yes. $1.50 slimes? Oh my god, this is a salt that I have, guys. This is a salt that you should use because it definitely works. If you're like me and really don't care if you throw it away because it was just a real cheap project that you do for fun because you're bored, then this is a slime for you. And this is definitely the slime for me because I could just play with it and play with it, guys. I get it, then throw it away later. But that's like messy for your hands. If you're like me, I don't really like getting my hands messy, but like this actually feels good. Like, if you guys don't like, I'm just shocked that this is actually slime. Like, bro, like I like it. But sadly, I'm just gonna throw this away. There's really no use in having this, so there you have it, a 2-in-1. It really, really works slime. There you guys go. That is my video. It's gonna be hard to clean up because I literally go like this a lot and it's stuck to my table. But whatever, I did it for you guys. So yes, I'll see you guys next time. But first, I need to just do that one more time. Bye!